how the thing we gone through told it to me. Now it's history. The winner takes it all. The loser stands small beside the victory. That's the destiny. I work all night, I work all day to pay the bills I have to pay. Ain't it sad? And still there never seems to be a single penny left for me. That's too bad. In my dreams I have a plan. If I got me a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work it all. I'd fool around and have a ball. Money, money, money must be funny in a rich man's world. Money, 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 always sunny in a rich man's world. They were close enough, Fernando. Every hour, every minute seemed to last eternally. I was so afraid, Fernando. We were young and full of life, and none of us prepared to die. And I'm not ashamed to say the roaring guns and cannons almost made me cry. There was something in the air tonight. The stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining there for you and me, for liberty, Fernando. Though we never thought that we could lose, there's no regret. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. I've been cheated by you since I don't know where. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear the ring. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, whoa, mamma mia, here I go again. My mind, how can I resist you? Mamma mia, da chance on me. If you